జై తెలంగాణ. మోడీ నోటీస్ వచ్చింది, కాకపోతే అది రాజకీయ కక్షతో పంపించే నోటీస్ కాబట్టి మనం దానికి పెద్దగా స్పందించాల్సినటువంటి అవసరం లేదు. మా పార్టీకి ఉండేటటువంటి లీగల్ టీమ్కి మనం ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. ఆ లీగల్ టీం ఎట్లా చెప్తే దాని ప్రకారం మనము మెదులుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది. సో ఇది పెద్ద ఆలోచించాల్సింది ఏం లేదు. సంవత్సర కాలంగా టీవీ సీరియల్ లేక గుంజుతూనే ఉన్నారు దీన్ని. ఎలక్షన్లు వచ్చినాయి కాబట్టి మళ్ళీ ఒక కొత్త ఎపిసోడ్ రిలీజ్ చేయడానికి ఏదో ప్రయత్నం చేస్తున్నారు. సో డోంట్ టేక్ ఇట్ సీరియస్లీ, ఇట్ ఈస్ జస్ట్ పొలిటికల్. వీ విల్ టేక్ లీగల్ recourse. Thank you. Well, I received a notice. We from the party legal cell, we have given it to the party legal cell. We will go by their advice, and we strongly believe that it is politically motivated because of the charged up environment in Telangana, upcoming elections. I think I got a notice, but unfortunate it is in the last 1 year there is investigation happening. I don't know how long it will happen. I don't think even 2G spread for so long. So it is unfortunate, but yet it is political and highly politically motivated. So people of Telangana will not take it seriously. We will, as a party, as responsible public representatives, we will seek legal recourse. We have given it to the party legal team, and we will go by their advice. I truly have no idea. You've seen my schedule in the last 5 days. The moment we received it, we gave it to the legal team. So whatever they advise, we will follow through that. देखिए, हम सिंपल सी बात बोलते हैं, हम किसी से भी मिले नहीं है. हम मिले हैं तो तेलंगाना की जनता से और भारत की जनता से. अब दोनों नेशनल पार्टी जो कहलाती थी, उन दोनों का यही डर है कि केसीआर साहब को देश की जनता ज़्यादा चाहने लगी है. तेलंगाना की जनता तो कैसे भी चाहती है, वापस सरकार में ला रही है. तो अलग अलग एलिगेशंस वो लगाएंगे, लेकिन एंड ऑफ द डे वी आर नॉट एनीबडीज बी टीम. वी आर तेलंगाना पीपल्स एंड इंडियन पीपल्स ए टीम.
आपको समन आया है तो इस पूरे प्रकरण को, क्योंकि 3 लोग अप्रूवर टर्न हुए हैं, तो कितनी मुश्किलें बढ़ सकती है आपके?
Brother, as I said, it looks like a TV serial, never-ending TV serial. So I have no idea what is happening with that. But end of the day, party legal team will advise us, and we will go through their advice. So it is not a big issue or a serious issue to be discussed. It is a politically motivated summon. We will take a legal recourse on that.
But ma'am, how do you see this? Because recently when recent summons were issued, you went to the Delhi, you appeared for the questioning, and even after coming out, you stated that they made to sit be there, and you have made several comments attacking the BJP. And now again, it's a poll bound state. You said polls are nearer. So how do you see this? Basically, will you be attending it? And one side BJP is attacking, one side Congress is attacking. They are claiming that you're beating of Congress saying that you're beating of BJP. So how do you see this, and why are you claiming that it's politically motivated?
Okay.
Ma'am, how do you see the timing of this summons? It's just coming at a time when the election campaign is at a crucial stage. Do you think this will affect TRS party if there is further development from the notice?
Well, as I said, it is clearly politically motivated. From the beginning, I have been saying the same thing, and it has been the modus operandi of Bharatiya Janata Party in any poll-bound state. So now Telangana is going to polls. The modus operandi has taken, again kicked back in. So that is what we believe in, and we will certainly seek a legal recourse. We are a political party. We have a legal team, so we don't have to worry about it. But people will see through this kind of operation by the Bharatiya Janata Party, and people will certainly teach them a lesson. That is what I believe. Thank you so much. Jai Telangana. చెప్తే కదా ఇప్పటిదాకా ఇంగ్లీష్లో తెలుగులో లాయర్లు ఎట్లా చెప్తే అట్లా చేస్తా. థ్యాంక్ యూ. మనము కుల